Blessings, people, blessings, blessings. Yeah, man. Welcome back to the channel, you know. Gabriel Family TV. Yeah, man. So, I hope everybody okay and recovering from the storm, the hurricane storm, Melissa. Yeah. Yeah, man. I hope people cannot get it rough still, you know. Get it bad, really bad. Yeah, man. So, I go do a video today when me actually I just realize how some damage actually kind of the outside of the community. Yeah, man. From the road going out. So I just decided to can I just walk through. Yeah, man, I just kind of share my experience still, you know. Yeah, man. So it's still a blessing because it could have worse still. Yeah, so I say a lot of people get it like messed up. Yeah, man. So it's a blessing, man. Yeah, man. So you have to just give thanks to him because, you know, persons actually, lose, loved ones, you know, the flood, mudslide and all of them things there. So yeah, man, I've just still give thanks you're still alive and yeah, man, healthy, you know? Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. Alright, as me say, I just a walk through still, you know, just a walk through because a lot of us not get light in our community as yet. Still not getting a light as yet, see me, so yeah, man. But there's a lot of work to be done with it that is concerned. So, I'm not going to draw the video too long. I just want, as I say, just a walk through me, I do. To kind of share my experience, basically, still. So, yeah, man. Alright, so just journey with me as I just walk through and show you where I'm going. Yeah, man. So, as you can see him with big old light post. Drop down. So, all of me something I can make on the light still. You get me? Yeah, man. All of me go something here. I will get repair and all them things, new posts. Yeah, man. So all of them actually they all cross the road, so all of them are kinda clean up already. And all of that. Yeah, man, but you see yeah, man. Line them drop down, you know? Tree drop down on it and yeah, man, take it down. Yeah, man, so actually just kinda just walk on the road going down. It's a good journey still. I'm just try to kind of share a bit of my experience. So however this is actually in Senton. So yeah. Yeah, man. So yeah, all the lines are on this side is actually down. So they actually did a lot of clearing. But to be honest, I think most of these trees that they actually have laying around, I think they should actually cut them down because if we get another storm, to be honest, this can be another downfall, you know. Yeah, man, so hopefully anybody see me where so I go on the channel will just know say something like that. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, the gully that I need to show that it's a road. Yeah, man, that's a show now. All the cuttings and clearings that have actually go on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's a blessing for have a place in such a good condition still, but yeah, man, the line is actually damaged. So the community actually not gonna have any electricity or internet where that is concerned. Yeah man, the line actually want repair. Yeah man. So I say this actually St. Ann up in the hills. Yeah. In the hills still, you know? Yeah man, this is actually called Beecher Town. Yeah man. The district of Beecher Town, yeah man. So the line is actually damaged. Yeah man, as I say, I just show you. Most of it done clear already. All the excitement gone. But you can see a big clearance actually going because based on how the storm they actually they're going. Yeah man. But tree cuttings and all of them things there. So as I say, all them little things can be a life threatening in the future as hope as I say. You know. Then take these things into consideration where these trees I think they should actually cut them down. Yeah man. So you know, so we get another storm. I think if it's still like this, you know, we don't know what got happen already. Yeah man, all this big one right here, so all this one over the road should actually cut down. Yeah man, so showing how I go on. So it look pretty now because it's clear. Yeah man, but after this storm, to be honest, I didn't want to actually take the journey, but you don't know when your place have a sort out, it have a sort out, you know? Yeah man. But yeah, it's clear and it's good again. So we actually just go further down. I say go to walk. Just like I know I show you how the place situated. Yeah man. So we can actually see like the sea from up this area as well. Yeah man, nice view man. Nice view. Yeah man, coming from where I'm actually coming from. Yeah man. Yeah man. But you don't know, God is greatest. So I can show you a little part of it where they actually do a scheme development. Yeah man, I can share that with them as well. Yeah man, so if anybody interested in the future see me, you can see it on Cabidan Family TV, you know? Yeah man, so this is actually the making as well. Yeah man. Nice little settings, you know. And the air is also cool, even though the sun actually blows still, you see? Hey dog, do yourself. Yeah man. So this is going to be a nice community setup. Yeah man. So the government actually have this the process where they might try to get some house. Yeah, there's a lot of land up here as well. Yeah man, St. Ann, you know. Called Beecher Town. Yeah man. Yeah man, big old land space development, you know. Yeah, man, nice little setting. So, and I good to get all a nice house spot up here. So when the house in development finish as well, because you can see as me tell you, say, up here nice and cool in the evenings. Yeah, man. So all of them land you see here, so the house in my actually set up and good. Yeah, man. So hopefully in the next 5 or maybe 10 years to come. Yeah, man. So this apart of it's a wholeness housing development. Yeah, man, in a center, you know. Yeah, man, nice and peaceful here. I walk too fast still because it's just a one walk through me I make. And I don't do a second. Yeah, man, see nice. Here I see me coming out from out of the community coming down. Yeah, man, nice little settings. I say nothing major today still as me explain. Just I take a little walk out of the community. Further down there's actually a lot of damage. You know, trees are actually aside. I can show you that further down the video still. So, yeah, man. I go look at this and still just as I say, just I walk through. Yeah, man, and I will have vibes. So we doing, you know. Yeah, all of the chaos and all of that to finish already still. So, well, as I say, Center not really get it all that bad compared to Montego being Trelawney, I think Westmoreland, you know. Yeah, man, so it's just a blessing. Just minor damage. Yeah, man, just some minor things. Yeah, man, nothing major, you know. Yeah, man, nothing major. Yeah, man. Yeah, so they have a security vehicle. Judge. Yeah, man, but alright, man, blessings. One Father God. One Father God. So, anyway, peeps, if you're interested to buy like a piece of land or something like that, yeah, man, that up a land, a Saint Ann. Yeah, man, up in the hills, you know. Yeah, man, nice land. Yeah, man. Road 100 still, but you don't know. So we have a pretty car up here too. Yeah, I don't know my business anyway still. Yeah, man, but land up here, holy land. Yeah, man, so the development show. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I hate that. Soon to come, a nice community. And all of them are land too, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, all of them are land soon become housing as well. Yeah, man, I supposed to have a big house over the section, if me not lie. Yeah, man, so all of them here become house. So, based on the development, yeah, man. So it was a journey down further and more. I mean, I say it's not all of the line them actually damaged, but we don't have any light in our community, to be honest. Yeah, man, that's supposed to, the line is supposed to go over the big house. Yeah, man, so it's not a wasteland, people live over there. Yeah. Nice to here, you know. I remember storm go on with yourself. Storm go on with yourself, peeps. Um, nice close one hill. Hilltop you see me, the one that's supposed to get whole heap of the breeze. Time hot thing. You know. Yes, my people, one love, one love, one love, one love, one love, one love, one love. Yeah, man. Just thank you for subscribe to the channel. You know? We have a lot of more videos to come, but you don't know. We are trying so we can recover from the storm and all of these things. So I will about clean up and all of them things. I go on and people for get assist, you know, with the worms and all of these things. So our people now know if we live right now. Can't tell her that. So anyway, there right now you're alive, man. Just give thanks, yeah, man. You have to just start all over again. That's one of them things. Everybody have it easy. Yeah, man, as I say, you don't really get much. Well, yeah, we get more of a breeze still, but as you can see, just a line them damage. Yeah, man, the line them damage. So from the time when they actually get the storm till now, to be honest, I think most of them something should have get some assist. You know? That is one of my main concern in as an how this side actually you know, start getting assist with light, because the lines are down and there's no repair. Nobody's doing the farmer repair. Yeah, man, that is bad. That is really bad for the community, to be honest. Yeah, man, our lines down. Yeah, man. They really get light from this side still, but most of these lines I think are like internet, phone line. So yeah, man, gotta separate us a little bit. Yeah, man, so all them line are down same way. Yeah, man, so I don't think the community actually have any internet, you know, by line, yeah, I should say. Yeah, man, but all of these lines are actually done. Yeah, man. I'm say with us, I would do a walkthrough still. Very good if you can actually get some help with that is concerned. Yeah, man. Line them messed up. I say it's a nice community up on the outside. Shows you how the land actually blessed. Yeah, man. So we actually have all water running through the land as well. And I share that as well. Yeah, man, nice clean water. Yeah, man. Nice running water. Yeah, man, so the land are also blessed. Yeah, man, up in the center and up in the hills, you know. Yeah, man. So this water actually supply like the community as well. They actually like sell water and so forth. Yeah, man. So this not really supply the community, but yeah, they actually use this like for transport and sell and so forth. Yeah, man. A nice little. Yeah, man. The land blessed, man. That's what I'm actually trying to say. Yeah, man. Nice little catchment, but it kind of far. Yeah, good distance. Yeah, man, but yeah, man, the line is damaged, man. The line is actually damaged. So, hopefully, they actually can get that sorted. So, down here, so now, you can see, say, down here, so actually I did get it. Because a lot of trees actually fallen. So I have to actually cut them up and all them. So. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I'm gonna stop us and show you. Look at it. So I say the line is actually damaged. Yeah, the line is actually damaged. Yeah, man. And there's nobody actually. I think they actually like cut it, put it one side. Hopefully we have them up and running soon. I say there's no light, but I think this actually really supply the community still, but internet, phone line, yeah, man. Community actually out of that. Yeah, man. So down here, so they actually did stay bad. They cut up all the trees them and so forth. They get to understand, but a couple of these trees I think they actually should maybe like cut them down. Yeah, man, for future safety. Because to be honest, all of these things can reoccur. Yeah, man, this one actually hang over the tree, over the road. Big tree, you know. So, if this actually well, strong tree, but they don't know, Sam can't tell on it. So it's actually bad. Yeah, man, so they actually cleared. Yeah, man, road up and running again. People can travel and so forth. Yeah, man, but the lines them stay bad. I think you can actually hear the water flowing as well to you. Yeah, man, the one I'm going to show you from up that side, you actually hear it from here, so the water actually run through the land anyway still. Yeah, man, so even this side of the road was actually pretty messed up. You can see they actually cleared. Yeah, man, but the line them too much, I would actually say too much tree. They have too much trees around because all of these things will actually happen. Because to be honest, if we didn't have so much trees, I don't think most of these lines will actually get affected. So I cannot come across the road. So this is actually like one of them they remove it. I think they should actually like go through the community. Not the community, but the road coming from the community, because people have to use the road every day. Right? People have to use the road every day, but I think they actually need to do some cuttings. Yeah man, just a future purpose. Yeah man, there's a lot of trees. But you know what they actually say? Is when something actually like happen, or somebody, they say when somebody dead before, then do something about it. And that is bad. Yeah, that is really bad. Nobody now have to dead before you do something about it. Yeah man, just showing the line them, so yeah man, a lot of persons now have light, yeah, we don't have any. So as we say, I'm not quite sure if it's a real light, a main line or something like that. Yeah man, but nobody now assists us aside, no at all. No farmer repairs that not like yeah man, so there are a lot of trees I hang over. See them here. But to be honest, you know, I don't mind putting out this video and somebody actually see it and get the understanding of what I say. All them are something here. A hazard. Yeah man. Whole heap of trees. Yeah man, even all the big ones there, the big ones they want cut them. Yeah man, government need to spend some money on the road. Them clear it, but then just leave it as is. But it's a mine anyway still, because to be honest, there are a lot of places and people that needs a lot of attention. So yeah man, see. So the line burst off there, so yeah man, all the lines are damaged. So the community actually stranded. Don't sure how long we have actually take to get back light and internet by line still, but yeah man, are them something that cause delay. Nobody now really, yeah. Or maybe nobody now complain. You get me, they just clean it up and that's basically it. Yeah man, then call the beach at town gully. Yeah man. The road that then take beach at town, Einstown, Murphy. Yeah man, if you're from Centon, you know the place. Yeah man, so I kinda come on the side there. Look a bit. Yeah man, so what about trees? Oh, seriously, I want a tree that goes all like yeah man, but see the what about trees? Yeah man. So the road did actually stay bad. So then it was cleared and this is what remains. So sometime I think the gully, if we actually clear like all the gully, and then something I think can really create a problem, like maybe if you get like a certain heavy rainfall, which I don't really think it will cause like no flooding, because based on how the road actually situated, yeah, you're not gonna really get no flooding like that. But maybe down the line, you know, because I know free flow, I think. But I'm say peeps, I want love them and bless up in yourself. Just give you one preview outside of the community. Yeah man, line them damage. Like really damage. Stay away. So hopefully, yeah man, all them something now. Hopefully them something now get sorted. Yeah man, line them damage. Until all of these are put back together, everything actually remains the same. Let's hope Westmoreland, Trelawney, you know, all these places on the island actually get damaged. Hopefully they recover. Well, eventually things will come around, but it's going to take some time. It's going to take a lot of time for this kind of recovery. Where light is concerned, homes, and all of these things. People need to go back to their regular life, Because to be honest, this is one of the time where I think everybody are going to remember. Yeah man, just the name alone. Yeah man. Yeah man, so can I say, I hold for chop up, go on. Hold for chop up. When I really get it, 100, but you can't say for yourself. Up a chop up, go on. Up a big tree. Yeah, take me look at time and show you how I go on, because I say I make a one run through. Yeah man, big tree. Yeah man, chop up and throw one side. Yeah man, but I think as I say, maybe if some farmer chopping they go on from before, enough of them something I would have. Yeah man, up a tree fall down. Alright, let me show you all this one as well. You see this big tree on the line, and you realize that it is still there. Yeah man, I take my time and show you how I go. Yeah. See the line. Yeah man. And the tree resting on it. Place need for. Place want chop up, brother. Well, I can't come out of the danger corner here, because I'm not able to. Corner for play with him. So I come out and secure myself first. Yeah. Yeah man, alright man. Yeah man, but the place one. This one D bush, brother. But D bush you want to call it a D tree. Yeah man. Place one chop up, brother. Yeah man. So kinda, yeah. Yeah man, only for a big tree, man. I think you're actually safe. You get me? Yeah man, I don't think it's safe at all, peeps. Yeah man, so this is another big tree hanging over the road. So me I talk about. So if this tree actually fall now, you know, so one big blockade that. See there? Yeah man. Dangerous, man. The tree might appear to be strong up a root and all them something, but the danger is still there. So that's why we have this problem. Yeah, man, up a trees fallen on the hillside, just to see them. Luckily, they weren't close enough to the road. Yeah, man, so dangers are still there. Yeah, man, tree, yeah, man, hanging over the road on the line. So I'm sure now, if we get to another storm on this tree, they are going to there, so they are going to fall out right now the road. So I'm not classify them something that be like negligence, to be honest. I don't think it's really the people's, well, it is their road community, yeah, but I think the government, they're not really paying this side any attention, really. That is bad. Yeah, man. The bad years ago, about them daily life, and nothing now be done about it. Until something happens, that is when they, yeah, them run to it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so if a big tree like this can actually fall down, but based on how it actually situated, yeah, it will come down. But you can see the place need to cut down. There's a lot of trees where them need for them need to go through and cut it. Yeah, man, can be very serious. This part of the line actually still intact. Yeah, man. If you realize going through, there's not one truck or if you say flow, JPS, nobody. You see, nobody actually coming through. Doing no farmer repairs. So the lines are actually just there like that. Nobody knows when there's gonna be any farmer repairs to all of these lines. Yeah, man. See them? So as I say, if most of these trees were cut down, the lines will actually be standing still. But because of the trees, and I don't hear anybody talking about it, it's like everybody is quite okay with the situation. Yeah, man, this is how the road actually situated. On the other side as well. Yeah, so it's like having a road in a woodland. Put it that way. Yeah, man, road in a woodland, man. Yeah, man. Line still intact. So, all of these, all because of trees. Yeah, man. Still pose a threat. Yeah, man. Alright, hold on, something I come up and kind of try to secure myself. So as I can see, even trucks use the road. Because they actually have like a quarry going through the community across on Murphy Hill. Yeah, man, so trucks also use the road. So it's actually a road of importance, or let's say everyday usage. Just like, not really like Firm Gully, but Yeah, man. So this is another tree. I said there's nobody actually like a grown and a cut and me say nothing like that. So I just show you and the committee not have no light. Which is not really decided. It actually get light, I think as I say, are more like cable wires. Yeah, man, but maybe it is not important to them, but yeah, man, the community actually in need of it. Everybody try to go back to them regular life still. Mm. Yeah, man. So all them a tree here, as you can see, they need to cut them. Yeah, man, they need to sort out. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So the same thing I talk about, which I mean, I can't avoid everything still, but prevention is better than cure. Yeah, man. All them a tree away. You can see. All them a need to cut them. And I say if we get another Melissa or another or a Shellian, if you get a Shellian this time, you don't know where you go already. Yeah, man, I get double the wind and the rain. Yeah, man, all of them are dangerous, see me. Yeah, man. All of them I want to cut them. And I say the trees might appear strong, but danger lurks. Just the same. Yeah, man. All of them are something I want to sort out. Yeah, man. Whole heap of big tree. All of them I want to cut them. Yeah, man. Lot of lines down, just the same. Yeah, man. I can tell you, that is a danger right there. If nobody else not see it, yeah, man, it is there. Yeah, I say we have good roads. We have good roads still, but yeah, man, you have too much tree. A lot of these things, yeah, man, can be quite dangerous. Yeah, man, just highlight some things. Okay, so I'm tied here, so. Yeah, man. So you can just imagine most of this they actually did in the road. And they actually pull it to the side. You know, we kind of keep certain things clear. You know, the lines them need to sort out. I must have shown how I go on, man. I not classify it for say well, really poor governance or something like that, but maybe, hopefully, sometime soon. Yeah, man, this will get sorted out, you know. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man. All of these things contribute to the lines being done. Yeah man, so another danger as well. So the road full of danger, peeps. Yeah man. Whole heap of danger. If this drop right across the road, it's a line of gun. May I tell you. Yeah man, so this one actually drop across the road. Yeah man, whoop of trees. Until they actually just run through and just cut out most of them trees up on the roadside, me think so. Yeah man, you have less of them problems if you deal with. Yeah man. As you can see, it's a beautiful day for you actually be out. Nice and sunny. Yeah man, that's what I actually kind of choose a day and I can kind of just walk through. Yeah man. Walk around. Yeah man, that's a place full of big tree people. Whole heap of big tree. Yeah man, that's me say it might look strong but it can become detrimental. Which I mean, to be honest, and a boy if you can actually take an entry still, I'm not lie you. So you have to kind of think about these things. You know, but what are dangers actually still standing. And over the years knowing this community road, to be honest, I never see so much tree fall on before. So you know, so that one serious piece of storm we actually get. Very, very serious. Yeah man, very, very, very serious. Yeah man. So all them tree there come from up in there. Yeah man, but from the far end of the road. Yeah man, so all them something I need if you cut down peeps. Yeah man. All them something there man. Cut down. Yeah man. Serious something, nothing to joke about. Yeah man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, how going? Yeah man. So I say we are up a big tree where need attention. Yeah man. See? Gotta come on the side a little bit. I think I recently actually kinda put some cement on this side. Yeah man. So yeah man, all them a tree, big tree contribute to the lines being damaged. Yeah man. Well, the drains are not looking so bad. Not sure it's because of the this time, but yeah man. So from all the way up the road coming down, you know, all of that water actually channel down, you know. Yeah man. So this is actually it's a good drainage system. Probably that's why the road now actually as that bad. Yeah man. So this is actually like a gutter in the beginning of the road. Yeah man, that leads to the side. Yeah man. Yeah, but the place need some serious attention, you know? Yeah, man. As Mr. Peeps, it could have worse still, to be honest. Kinda stop and cool off a little bit. Yeah, man. So, uh, this one what me actually show now. Um, I want for negligence, me actually say still. You know? Because I realize this side of the road not really get uh this side this side of the parish, Saint Anne. Yeah, man. Up in the hills, you know. Yeah, man. District of Beechertown Road. Mm. Yeah, man. Need some cleaning up. Especially for the new housing project they have. I think maybe when that project actually kind of come together, maybe they actually kind of do some changes. What to tell? I'm just saying. Yeah, man. But not necessarily say the road condition, because I mean the road is okay. But yeah, man, there's a lot of trees that pose um, a big threat, not only to motorists but anybody that actually use the road for that. You know, cyclists. Yeah, man. Everybody in general. Eh? Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. It's a blessing, man. But I just hope Jamaica just kind of recover, because as I say, a lot of persons actually have it worse than how we actually get it. I mean, actually just do a video. I mean, just kind of walk on the road still, coming from the community. Actually, I show you what I go on. The community is actually okay still. So I mean, I really need to go through that. Yeah, understand? I just want to show how the condition coming out from out of the community actually still. Yeah, man. It actually stay bad. Yeah, man. Try to cool off it still. Oh, God bless you, man. So anyway, I kind of walk further down but still and show them what I go on. That's it. Alright.
Them put all house in it. Them put up
Okay, bad. I think we kind of want little road, yeah man, little road up here, let's think I want to see this too. Road kind of stay bad. But there's a run through I show now what I go. So, kind of switch on my camera. Now a big tree right there, so I have to video this. Yeah man, so it actually kind of look small, to be honest. Probably have to kind of zoom it up. Showing how big this tree be. And this is actually coming from all the way from the side of the road. Shows that all of these things could actually be avoided. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So all of them look something now. Shows that the place need attention. See? Place need attention, bro. Yeah. So I'm sure you find this angle down here, so. So we actually drop across the lines. So the lines they must get damaged. You get me? The lines they must get damaged because there's too much tree. Yeah. All them are something I need to cut them. I'm on a place where I clean up. All of these things contribute to the lines being down. Yeah. So the place needs to cut down. Yeah, man. We have too much tree over here, brother. Too much tree. And hopefully somebody actually will watch the video on the channel, actually see and understand what I talk about. The dangers of the place, of the road. You get me? Yeah, man, so whole heap of trees, peeps. Yeah, man. So if you can kind of go back, if you can actually pick out the dangers of what I try to show you. Kind of zoom in. That look a bit, maybe too much. Yeah, man. Right at the corner right there, so as you can see, place need for debush or cut down at that. Yeah, not at the right context, but yeah, man, trees are need to come down. This is actually a pump house. Yeah, man, so I talk about peeps, too much tree. Yeah, man. Too much tree, man, the place need to cut down, bro. So just imagine all this drop across the road and somebody drive across. You don't know that go already. Yeah, man. I look simple, but yeah, man, danger is still there. Yeah, man, so you can see a lot of cutting has been done. Yeah, man. You actually kind of get the road back up and running. The road not too bad still, but I think the trees are more of a threat than anything else. So this is another line. Kind of showing. Covered by trees. So these lines like they don't have no use. Yeah, man, this is it, man. So this road actually take you up to a community known as New Hope. Sign there. So I say, you're from Senton. Yeah, man, you know this side there. All of these were actually cleared. As I say, I don't know why this side have so much big tree. Yeah, real woodland. Yeah, there's another one as well. So you can just imagine all this drop right across the road. Yeah, man, see them? That's why the lines are down. Can I go a bit closer? I can see the line covered. Yeah, man. You look closely. Black line right there, going all the way back up to the post. Yeah, man, big tree, huh? Really big tree. Yeah. In the hills of Senton. Yeah, man. Watch your ass. Yeah, man, up at trees. Yeah, man, damaged line. Yeah, man, nobody going around. Well, I don't know if anybody did the assessment here still. Can't pass any judgment that I did not see for myself. Yeah, man, but this, even this post, I think, so actually dropped onto him. Yeah, you saw it lean. Yeah, I'm gonna come this side, I can actually see it now. Is that the camera? Yeah, man. So probably, or hopefully, actually change it. There's another tree right across the road. Yeah, man, so this one didn't fall on the line because another tree is actually holding it. Yeah, man, so all of this I think drop right across right across the road. Yeah, man, right across the road. You know? The road I get busy and as we say, as you can see the road is now a lonely place. Like a lot of persons actually use the road. As you can see. Yeah, man, very busy place. So I don't understand why nobody actually like take these things into consideration. Yeah, man, this one is actually going down as well. And there are so many trees, which I don't think is if they're supposed to do, to be honest, if they're supposed to do like a cutting or so forth, I don't think it is like everything they will be able to like cut down and so forth. The mangoes. Mangoes! Yeah, man, but we have a lot of big trees. Yeah, man, a lot of big trees. That's why the lines are done. Yeah, man, so as you can see, this post actually um, breaking off. So I would actually say it could be actually if this tree fall at it on it, you know, to show you how I don't know. I wonder if even this road is dangerous. Or to say like maybe hazardous there's so many trees, but you can't really predict when or how nature will actually, or things will occur. Yeah, man. But all of these are very dangerous, just to see. As I said, if you can actually get like another Melissa or another category 5 to be at that. Yeah, man. So as you can see, they actually uh, Jamaicans, man. Just do a thing and move on because then actually nobody not pay the road, no, man. Nobody paying the road anymore. So this is actually a big tree job. All the way across from the other side. So just imagine this drop right across the road. Right? Yeah, man. So what to tell if that's not that up half over there? Yeah, man. So this actually fell right across the road. Yeah, man. Quite dangerous. So you can just imagine coming through this road and the storm actually like start to form and something like this occur. You know what I'm talking about? Very serious. Yeah, man, very, very serious. But what am I to say actually? A lot of persons actually get it worse than us. As I say, a lot of persons are in process of recovery in terms of roofing or a whole house, you know, clothing and all of that, food supply, water. Yeah, so all of these lands are damaged. I can guarantee this is going to be like this for a very long time. Or a good while at that. Yeah, man, so I actually kinda come to at the end of this part of the road. Kinda stop a little bit. Yeah, man, kinda cool off a little bit still, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thank you, Father God, for your blessed day. Yeah, yeah, man. A lot of persons actually make it to see this day. Yeah, man. The blessing, man. Not complain. It's the Father's works.